Another big story developing at the Capitol today.
We're being forced and mandated to do something that could potentially harm us.
A chaotic scene both inside and outside today. Hundreds of people, both for and against religious exemptions for vaccines, came to the Capitol in Hartford to make their voices heard. The public hearing drew a fired-up crowd. Hundreds signed up to speak, and it is still going on at this hour. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino spent the day at the hearing. He's live now at the Legislative Office Building. Mike?
Dennis, I just talked with Capitol Police moments ago. They estimate that it was well over 4,000 people who came through this door today. While that may double count some people who came in and out, it doesn't include people who came to a rally outside in opposition of this bill. Meanwhile, many public health experts are saying it's time for Connecticut to do something about its dropping vaccination rates.
It protects the most vulnerable in our population who cannot be vaccinated.
Public Health Commissioner Renee Coleman-Mitchell among those urging lawmakers to address a drop in vaccination rates. Now, lawmakers are considering requiring parents to vaccinate their kids in order to enroll them in school. Parents would need medical exemptions to avoid a specified schedule, but hundreds of people came to the Capitol, many in opposition.
And if they start with the children, then the next thing it's going to be is the adults for employment, for airlines, whatever else they may put on the list.
Coleman-Mitchell says religious exemptions for kindergartners saw their largest increase in 2019, and now more than 100 schools fall below 95%. Health experts say that's a key threshold to protect people with weak immune systems.
I knew I was taking a risk for being here today, but I felt that not every patient with cancer going through treatment has the strength or ability to be here.
Juanita Castillo has been going through treatment for breast cancer. She's worried a drop in vaccination rates is dangerous for people like her.
To think about people like myself in immunocompromised, I put myself out here today.
But some parents say they'll leave Connecticut if this bill is passed.
So I'd like to know how the lawmakers are going to handle the amount of people that'll then leave Connecticut.
Some opponents say they have religious opposition to vaccines. Others are worried vaccines come with risks. But experts say there's no evidence supporting claims people were harmed by vaccines.
What that number means is that thousands of people had a vaccine and then had some type of a side effect. It does not mean that the vaccine caused that side effect.
Now, while it looks quiet here in the Legislative Office Building, that's in part because they're using some of these unused conference rooms for overflow space. But the sign-up list for this public hearing continues to grow. It was just at 510 when I checked moments ago. Reporting live from the Capitol, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.